Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another advent calendar for you. This one is brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup. I bought this at Ulta. They did not send it to me. I bought it with my own money, so we're gonna see what it's like. I know it retails for $55, but I believe it's on sale right now, so you might want to check your local Ulta or just go to ulta.com to see what they've got. And this is 24 days of beauty. Nice big beauty advent calendar. I love the graphic. I think it's so cool and so pretty. And I love the design here. The graphic was created by Lily Pour. It says right here. And it's just so neat. It's so cool. And it's very just different. I think it's just very cool. So in here, it's supposed to be some lip, some eye, some blush, just a little bit of everything. There are 14 lip colors in here according to the back. So I will be trying all of those on at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. My poor lips are gonna be so sore, but we'll get there. We'll be okay. So let's go ahead and open it up and start off with number one. Oh, good. So look at this. This is one thing I love. They have it all in rows. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's all going in rows here. So it's going to be easy to find all the numbers. So let's start off with number one right here. Number one, we have Sparkle Town. What is that? I can't get it out. Number one, we have Sparkle Town. Ooh, it's a pretty color here. So this is a purpley highlighter. It's really pretty. Number two is a lippy. Jeez. Okay, I've destroyed my fingers. Nails are destroyed. I can't get this out for the life of me. Number two is a lippy, and this is a soft matte metallic lip cream. It is a pinky shade in the shade Nantis. I just put it right over the highlight. It looks like it's got kind of a pinkish goldish shift to it. Number three is right next to it, and it is another lip cream. This is a NYX Liquid Suede Lip Cream in the shade Starstruck. This is a really pretty shade. I think I'm gonna really like this. Here we go. Number four. Looks like it is another powder of some sort. It is a bronzer, highlighter. Cinnamon Spice highlighter. Very pretty. On me, that's probably gonna be a bronzer. I'm so pale. Oh, that's really pretty. It's very gold. Number five here is another lip cream. Like I said, there's quite a few lip creams in here, so I'm guessing that we're gonna be running into a lot of those. This here is the Intense Butter Gloss. Oh, I've never tried this before. And this is in the color Sweet Nothing. It's kind of a pinkish purple shade. Very pretty. Number six, the matte lipstick. And this is in the shade Fluff Piece. Here it is. It's a very bubblegum pink. Very bubblegum pink. Wow. Number seven here is another lip, and this is soft matte lip cream in the shade Vienna. This is really pretty. It's kind of a purpley mauve-y color. It's this one right here. All right, we are on number 8 right here, and it looks like it is another highlighter. I like this because I'm able to try a lot for not a whole lot of money. This is really pretty. This is in Candy Cloud. There we go. Ooh. Oh. That is super pretty. It's got a little bit of a gold shift to it. So it's very similar to this metallic lip cream, the first one that we got. So number 9 is a lip. Oh, wow. I haven't tried any of these before either. This one. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my God. This is everything in cranberry mint. It is a sheer gloss. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So number 10 is another lip. It is the Slip tease. There we go. Got it out. Boo. That was tough. Slip tease, and this is in the shade Poppin'. It's pretty. Number 11 is a butter gloss, and this is in Glazy Days. That's really pretty. It's pretty sheer, as you can see. Number 12 right here. This is, what is it? It's a blush. Oh, okay. So this is a blush, and this is in the shade Lollipop Hop. That's really pretty. It's very pretty. It's very bright. I like that. Number 13. Got something new here. This is a little black thing. It is Sweet Chateau eyeshadow. Oh, we finally got an eyeshadow, and this is in the shade, look at my hand. This is in the shade Cookie Cutter. It is matte, definitely very matte. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on my skin. It's almost the color of my skin. It's a little bit lighter. There we go. Number 14 is another eyeshadow, and this is in Candy Stash. And it is a really soft pink. It looks like it's got a really pretty shimmer to it. You can always use that as a highlighter too. Number 15. Oh, it's another one of those lip glazes. Is it called a lip glaze? Lip oil. So this is called the This Is Everything Lip Oil. And this is in Candy Pop. And again, it's very sheer, but it probably tastes like candy. It definitely smells sweet, which is nice. I think I'm gonna like that. Number 16 here is another matte lip. Oh. Ooh, this actually matches my nails really well. Look how cool that is. And this is in the shade Sorbet. That matches my nails like exactly. That is really cool. The nail is an OPI nail. I'll put the information on it down below. I don't remember what the color is, but it's from the Nutcracker and the Four Realms collection. So I'll put the information down below for anybody who is interested. Number 17. We are on the last row, and this is another lip lingerie. I think I have this color. This is in Slip. I have like a million different brands, all of this color, like this kind of mauvey nude shade. I've got so many brands. All right, number 18. That one was a tough one. This is the NYX Liquid Suede in Peanut Brittle. Here we go. It looks more like a pumpkin than peanut brittle. Number 19, Whipped Wonderland. What is this? Whipped Wonderland eyeshadow, and this is in Sweet Tooth. Oh, pretty. That is very, very glittery. I can feel the glitter. Where do I put it? Let's put it right here. Ooh, I like that. That's really pretty. Number 20, we have another Whipped Wonderland eyeshadow in Whipped Mocha. And this is kind of a deeper, it's matte, it's deeper. I can get behind that. I like that. 21, only have 3 more after this, and this is another lip, but it is a very cool color. This is in Kiev, and it looks black. Yeah, that is like black, black, black. I don't have a lot of black lipsticks. I can't think of really any other than I have that Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that has all the lip in it, but I don't really use it too much. So that's gonna be interesting. All right, 3 more to go. Number 23 is a lip lingerie, and this is in the shade, Deep Rooted. And it is a very, very deep brown. It's a very rich, rich brown. That's like chocolate. And again, I will be trying all of these on, so be sure to stay tuned for all of that. Number 23, Licorice Lane eyeshadow. And this is in the shade Twisted. Oh, I like that too. It's kind of a gunmetal gray. It's got a little bit of a shine to it. Pretty. All right, we're on the last one here. And this is NYX Licorice Lane eyeshadow in the shade In Deep Trouble. Oh, this is like a real dark plum. Oh, that's really pretty. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. This is, again, it's a really good way to try out different NYX products. If you were to grab this and just open it up instead of just doing it as an advent calendar, I would do it because, I mean, all of this, these are all the powders we got, all of these lip products that are in great sizes. So you're not paying for, I can't hold them. You're not paying for a full size in any of these. You are just paying for it to try it out, which is very cool. But I mean, they're definitely going to last a while. So definitely pick this up. I think it was 100% worth it. And again, you can get it at Ulta.com. So I'm going to try on all of these lips. Stay tuned. It's going to be just me trying them on, no talking or anything like that. So my lips are going to feel it. So let's get started with all that.